If you are someone who is good at video creation, graphic designing, video editing, or creating reels and videos, this video could be a great opportunity for you. Here in this video, I'm going to discuss about a remote opportunity as a motion graphic designer or video editor at Collision Technologies. And here you can expect an earning of around $15 to $35 per hour. So, however, the compensation may vary depending on your geographic location, your skills, experiences. Here, the company also offers health insurance reimbursement for all international candidates, and for candidates who are based in US, the company offers medical, dental, vision, and life insurance packages. The company is also offering incentives and bonuses to its candidates, and this is purely this is purely remote opportunity. And here you will be working 100% remote from home or anywhere. The work timing will be around 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time, which will be kind of a night shift job for people who are located in India. Now let's check out about the details. So the company's name is Collision Technologies and the company is hiring for motion graphics designer or video editor. If you talk about the skills and expertise, the company has asked. If you talk about if you talk about the skills and expertise, the company has asked for someone with proven motion graphics and video editing experience. You should be proficient with video editing software and you should be familiar with social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok because you will be creating videos or reels for these social media platforms. And here you should be able to write and produce short form promotional videos from start to finish. And you should have experience of producing videos and animation for social media and YouTube. In addition to this, you should also have knowledge of graphic designing, 3D modeling, and or illustration. You will be a preferred candidate and experience with online advertising is a plus. You should have ability to record narrations and good writing and spoken English. You should have your own camera, lighting, and space for shooting videos by yourself. And you should be able to perform well under pressure and under short deadlines. Here you should have reliable workstation with fast computer for video editing and you should have microphone and speakers, reliable internet and power connection. Okay, you should have experience presenting materials to clients professionally. Here the company has not asked for much of the experience. If you have some experience in the field of video editing and motion graphics designing or graphic designing or if you are well aware of social media platforms and how to create and promote videos on those social media platforms. So you could be a good fit for this position. Aside from your experience, the company is mainly interested in candidates who are skilled at their work. And here the company has mentioned that we are looking for talented and diligent candidates, excel in our skill test, and will consider these candidates even if past experience or educational background criteria are not met. So here, if you don't have any experience but you are skilled enough and you can do well in company's skill tests, you could be a preferred candidate for the company. And there is no bar for right candidate. Now we talk about the tasks and roles and responsibilities. So here, as a video editor or motion graphic designer, you will be creating promotional videos for the company and their clients, and you should be creating short form videos for Instagram stories, reels, YouTube shorts, TikTok, etc. And you need to create text, logo, character, or other kinds of animations to be used in videos, websites, emails, or other media. You will be creating videos and animated banners to be used for ad campaigns. In addition to this, you need to collaborate with graphic designers, copywriters, and you will be participating in client meetings and understanding their needs. And based on that, you will be encoding videos for any required format and uploading to media sources. You need to be well aware of the latest standards in storytelling, video production, and social media. And you need to ensure the projects are completed according to schedule while effectively applying their methodology and following quality standards. And you need to come up with ideas for writing scripts and or creating storyboards. As a motion graphic designer, you will be working with companies, graphic designers or copywriters team, and you will be writing scripts, video scripts, and you will be creating videos, reels, mainly short form videos, so that you can post them on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Or and then apart from this, you will also be You will also be involved with the clients and understanding their needs, and you will be creating videos according to their needs, and you should also have some kind of experience in creating animated banners or animated videos or animated characters so that our company can use them in ad campaigns, etc. So yeah, if you are someone who has this kind of experience or this kind of exposure, you could be a good fit for this position. Now, if we talk about the benefits, so here the company has mentioned a base pay rate for this position is going to be $15 to $35 per hour, and it may vary depending on your experience, geographic location, qualifications, skill test performance, and seniority of the positions offered. Apart from the compensation, the company is also offering other benefits that include incentives and bonuses, and the company for US based candidates, the company offers medical, dental, vision, and life insurance packages. However, for all international members, however, for all international candidates, the company offers health insurance reimbursement program, and you should also be getting device upgrade and learning reimbursement programs. And this is a full-time remote opportunity. So no matter what is your geographic location, if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, you can apply for the job. Here's the application form, and you can fill up all the details: your name, email ID, phone number, and preferred contact method. So here you need to provide, if you wish to be contacted through email or phone, you can provide here. And then how did you find us? And then you can upload your resume and cover letter. You need to create your resume and cover letter as per the profile you are applying for. So this thing you need to keep in mind. So go ahead, and this is a simple application form. Once you fill up the application form and our application gets shortlisted, you will be prompt for the skill test that the company takes. Check out all the details and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.